आरामबाई टेंगोल जो है ये हमारा बेटा लोग है। वो लोग तो ऐसे इंसर्जेंसी नहीं है। वो लोग तो सिर्फ हमारे मणिपुर की टेरिटोरी को बचाने के लिए काम किया है। अब लड़ाई ऐसा चलता रहा और अभी पीआर आ गया तो गवर्नर ने एडवाइस किया कि 7 डेज के अंदर इन लोगों का हथियार वापस लाने को। इसीलिए आज इन लोगों का हथियार जो है वो सरेंडर किया है। सरेंडर करने से भी हमारे मन में ऐसा सोचता है कि शांति आएगा कि नहीं आएगा। हमने सोचा कि अगर कुकी लोग जो है इन लोगों का भी हथियार इन लोगों का भी पकड़ना चाहिए। सिर्फ हमारे मैतेई लोगों के हथियार सरेंडर कराने से शांति नहीं लाएगा। हम सोचती हूँ कि जो कुकी लोग जो है इन लोगों का हथियार भी पकड़ने को आशा करती हूँ। अगर
आज लास्ट दिन है,
हाँ,
फिर भी कुकी लोग का कोई
इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं आया
तो आप लोग क्या करेंगे?
इसलिए हम सोचती हूँ अगर मणिपुर में इन लोगों का अटैक फिर करने से हम लड़ाई इन लोगों की अगेंस्ट में लड़ाई करने के लिए बचा लो और हम सब तैयार में हैं। और गवर्नर से हम दरखास्त करती हूँ जल्द ही जल्द शांति लाने के लिए सोच लीजिए, शांति करवा दीजिए और हमारी गवर्नमेंट को बनाने के लिए भी दरखास्त करती हूँ।
Today, all Manipur Bar Association and the High Court Bar Association, we are coming to witness the handing over of the arms, ammunitions and other materials by the Arambai Tengol. And today, we believe that this is a very good initiative, and at least the Arambai Tengol, which is one of the major defender of the people's right, they have starting to have faith in the present dispensation, that is PR, and so they are willingly giving up the arms used by them, and so that is a very good beginning. However, we have also already submitted a representation to the honorable governor to give some more time for this program, because it expires today. It is only 7 days, but seeing this good response from the Arambai Tengol and others, and I think it is high time. It is necessary to give some more time, because we are not seeing so much response from the side of the hills. They may be having their own reason also, but seeing the response from the Arambai Tengol, I think that those in the hill areas, they will also willingly come out and surrender and give up their arms in substantial numbers, because so far what they have done, it is not much. And another thing is that these Sioux cadres, they should be requested to return to their camps and keep them there, and as well as the weapons of the Sioux. There is a clear-cut record regarding that, and the government should also issue notice for the return of the Sioux weapons inside the camps, as done earlier. And after that, the illegal arm, beyond these Sioux, it has to be given up also. Otherwise, there cannot be any peace. And another thing is that solving for every any problem, peace is required. And what happened in Manipur is that the people, it is very unfortunate that the people, Meitei people, has been targeted in the present unrest. That is the most unfortunate thing, and this should not have happened in the first place. And we have also requested these officers, security officers, to convey the message so that this timeline may be extended. And he has also assured that he will convey the message, whether it is done by the honorable governor or not, it is up to him. But we believe that our present governor is a very very respected, and he's a very firm, and he's a very good person, and seeing the plight of the people, I think that he will do more things to bring peace.
In fact, you see, the Sioux has been already, signature has been already last more than 1 year. Still now the MHA has not cannot any sort of notification of extension. So in this regard, you see, the legitimate of the SU operation is not done much in terms of legal use. How would you look into that?
Regarding that, whether SU has been cancelled or it is not extended is another thing. However, those cadres who are in SUs, they should abide by those ground rules. Because the government has not issued any other notification, so they will still bind by the agreement, and so they have to confine themselves in the camp, and they cannot come out of the camp by holding weapons also. And all these weapons are to be kept in the common armory also, and only some personal weapons are allowed. And this needs to be enforced very strictly. And in the present scenario, we do not want to use the word, harsh word. The only thing is that they should be requested to keep all the weapons inside the SU camp as done before, and the SU cadres should also be requested to remain inside the SU camps. That is much I would like to say.
As the time has already lapsed today, the 7 days is completed today, but there is no such report that from the cookies from the hill area that such type of deposition or returning of or depositing of arms has not been taken.
So that is why I am saying that there may be they may not be trusting the government till now, but seeing the response of the Arambai Tengol, which they fear most, and I think that they will also be willing to come out, and so time is to be extended. Otherwise, it will become an illegal exercise. It cannot be an illegal exercise. And since it is just like an amnesty given by the governor, and it should be extended so everybody can come out.